I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing data and the recovery media. First, back up anything irreplaceable to an external disk. Once done, confirm you have the original Windows XP CD or a verified bootable USB and the product key. Next, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI to set the optical drive or USB as first boot device, then remove non-essential peripherals. This sequence prevents data loss and ensures the system can read the installer. Make sure power is stable before proceeding to the repair environment. You boot from the XP media and press R to open the recovery console. This is the core of the only reliable restore path. First, run fixboot to rewrite the partition boot sector, then fixmber to repair the master boot record. Afterwards, run chkdsk/r to find and repair disk errors, and sfc/scano to restore protected system files from the CD. If ntldr or boot ini are missing, use copy commands to replace them from the i386 folder. Do these steps, you now try a normal boot. If Windows starts, immediately install drivers and Service Pack 3, then apply updates offline if no network. If the system still fails, perform an in-place repair install from the XP CD to preserve settings while rebuilding system files. Once done, remove the install media and reboot. If problems persist, boot safe mode to check event logs, and use last known good configuration to roll back driver changes. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves boot time driver or registry conflicts when repairs otherwise look correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.